Hello and welcome to my channel. For recipes and instructions, see bottom page. If you like me to continue to post, like and subscribe. Warm, rustic, and full of flavor. This brown lentil soup is a true comfort dish, made with hearty vegetables, fresh rosemary and sage, roasted garlic, and a touch of Parmigiano rind. This recipe simmers for hours to develop a deep, rich flavor, perfect for cozy nights and family gatherings. It's a simple yet elegant soup that celebrates the beauty of humble ingredients. Instructions: prepare the vegetables. Wash and dice the celery and carrots. Peel and cube the potatoes. Dice both onions and finely chop the shallot. Roast a whole bulb of garlic until golden and soft. Set aside. Heat 4 tablespoons olive oil in a large pot over low heat. Add chopped rosemary, sage, and the roasted garlic. Cook until fragrant and lightly golden. Add the celery, carrots, onions, and shallot. Sauté together until softened and aromatic. Add lentils mix in till gets the aroma of the mirepoix. Stir in the cubed potatoes. Mix well so the flavors combine. Pour in the 3 liters of water, and to finish, add the strained tomato and the outer layer of the cheese if using. Bring to a gentle boil, then reduce to low heat. Simmer covered for about 3 hours, stirring occasionally until the soup reduces and thickens. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Remove the cheese rind, stir in the extra virgin olive oil, and let the flavors meld. Ladle into bowls, garnish with fresh basil and a drizzle of olive oil, and enjoy hot with rustic bread.